Why? How about we just pretend spray? Are you washing down your lawnmower? Okay, why don't we just pretend spray, okay? Shh. Good job. It works. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
It is Sunday here, and we are doing some yard work. And when I say we, I mean Sean is doing yard work, and I'm sitting out front in my bathrobe, drinking my coffee and watching Sophia play with her toys and play in the dirt.
And we're washing my machine.
And we're washing her lawnmower. Let's cover your ears. And
I have this.
And you have that. So, oh no, not really. Not really. I know, a big to-do list on our cleaning calendar is to clean out the garage. And while it's nice outside, I just don't feel like it. Huh? No, we don't put that on our neck. Thank you, though. So all of our family has come in town this weekend. My parents, Sean's parents, both of them live out of state. So they are in town for Thanksgiving weekend, which we're really excited about. So we're just doing some work outside, picking up some leaves, and he's gonna mow the lawn. And then we're gonna get ready and go over to my parents' house to see them. And then we're gonna go over to Sean's parents' house to see them. I also forgot to tell you guys the other day, Sean was taking Sophia to school, and he hit a deer. He hit a deer. Luckily, he was already slowing down. He saw the deer coming, and he said he was only going 20-ish miles an hour. So it wasn't really, you know, a collision, and he didn't really think anything of it. However, as he just pulled the car out, he noticed that his grill is a little messed up. So, thankfully, nobody got injured. The deer ran off. What are you doing?
I'm done with my water.
Oh, okay. So that's good, and it just looks like it's kind of, babe, isn't it just more, it's not like inside, it's just the front grill got a little dinged and popped out of socket, I guess, is that the technical term? So he's gonna fix that. But little detour to mowing the lawn. Anywho, so I got myself ready, put some real clothes on, did a little bit of makeup, and look at our new bookshelf we got for her. I still have to figure out what to do up here. I have something in mind. We just have to go get it. So Sean is still outside doing the lawn stuff. So we're just gonna hang out in here and play for a little bit. And then we're trying to balance schedules because everybody's going everywhere as far as having both families in town. So we're really trying to figure out.
Hey, that's my baby.
Is that your baby?
Yeah.
Is your baby taking a nap?
My baby has an underwear diaper.
Your baby has an underwear diaper?
Yeah.
Oh my. So we're trying to figure all of the scheduling out, and I'm already over it. I'm so excited to see everybody and spend time with family, and I'm just so excited. Yeah. But arranging schedules is just not fun for me. So you know, I'm gonna wait for Sean to come back in and discuss the rest of the day. And I just heard the garage door, which means he's done. So let's go see what he's up to. All right, guys, I have to have a real moment with you today. I am just not feeling it. I cannot get myself motivated. I don't know I'm tired. I don't know if I didn't sleep well last night or didn't get enough sleep, but for whatever reason, I just can't get a pep in my step today. So what I originally was going to try and do, this is our cleaning calendar. I had on here that I was going to dust the kitchen, dust the...
I have underwear pajamas on here.
You, let me see. Oh my, that's quite an outfit on your baby.
Yeah.
I had it on my schedule to clean the surfaces in the window, or in the kitchen. So that was just like, clean the windows real quick, dust the ceiling fan, and pick up items, which it's not bad. Those are all clean, so I need to put those away. And then I was also going to just dust the living room, which again is just the windows and the ceiling fan and the surfaces. And you guys, this legit would probably take me 20 minutes. It would take me 20 minutes to just do it, and I cannot get the energy. I cannot get the energy to do it. But I know that I will feel better, the house will feel clean if I just do it, even though I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna go ahead and just power through, and hopefully that'll put some pep in my step. I don't know. So let's clean this up while Sean is taking a shower, and Sophia is obviously playing with her babies and dressing them up in her underwear. So whatever floats her boat. So I've got the time to do it. I'm gonna do it right now and hopefully feel a little bit better after.
I think about all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't want a day when I say goodbye now, 'cause you leave a shiver down my spine. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily. Just let me know where we head in this reverie, and I will stay. Don't mind the way I won't play. Don't like the game, 'cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. 'Cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. I know you're wrong, 'cause you're scared of loving, but baby, right now I'm too. Don't want a day when you say you're done now, 'cause you leave me crying over you. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily. Just let me know where we head in this reverie, and I will stay. Don't mind the way I won't play. Don't like the game, 'cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. 'Cause I will stay, and I will wait for you.
What are you doing?
Hey baby, can we just leave and we'll put the baby bed on the other blankies?
Oh, you're making a baby bed?
Yeah, but that's a baby bed.
Oh, is she sleeping?
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta be quiet. Okay, the lighting in here, it sucks. I'm sorry. The lights are off because the baby is sleeping. And by baby, I mean Sophia's baby doll. Anyways, cleaned up the things that I was going to do.
And I did.
And Sophia helped. It didn't take very long. Did it give me more energy? Absolutely not. Not at all. Not even, nope, not at all. But at least I can say I did it. I cleaned and the house is clean. So at least I got that going for me. So we are going to just hang out for a little bit. We're going to make lunch, take naps. I think Mommy needs a nap more than anybody else. And then we will go to Yaya and Papa's.
Yeah, and at Jeanette's house.
And then we're going to go to Aunt Jeanette's house to see Grammy and Grandma. Good morning, guys. We are on our way to school. And I kind of forgot to end the vlog yesterday. The day just got away from us. So, I thought, okay. I'm going to have to hop on this morning and tell everybody kind of how our evening went. And I think, like, we took a nap. Everybody took a nap until, like, 4:30. It was a nice long nap. And then we went over to my mom and dad's house. And we're able to see everybody. They'll be in town for the whole week, which is exciting. So we spent some time with them, and then we went over to Sean's aunt's house to see Sean's moms, because they are also in town for the whole week. So it was great to see them as well. We went to dinner. Girlfriend didn't go to bed until like 10 o'clock. 10. You're still sleepy? Yeah. I'm a little nervous about what her teachers are going to say today. But whatever. She, you know, it is what it is. So, you're playing with your balloon. That's her balloon from dinner last night. Okay, guys, I'm back home. It's nighttime. It's been a busy day. Got to spend some time with my dad, which was just awesome. I went and got my nails done. I did a couple of hours of work, and now I am home. I'm gonna get dinner on the stove before Sean and Sophia get home, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog of our weekend. If you did, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I am coming out with my 12 days of Vlogmas, which for you, that means rapid fire videos. There will be 12 videos coming out back to back to back to back for 12 days in a row, and you're not gonna wanna miss it. I've got some great stuff planned. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Again, if you're new here, my name is Sydney, and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. I'm so happy that you stopped by my channel. And until next time, guys, have a good one, and I'll see you later.